If you want to stop your Samsung phone from automatically downloading and installing system updates, you can do it in two main ways, through software update settings and developer options. Step 1. Turn off auto download updates. First, open your phone's settings app. Scroll down until you find software update and tap on it. Inside this menu, look for the option called auto download over Wi-Fi or similar wording depending on your device model. Tap on it and you will see a toggle switch. Turn this switch off, or if your phone gives options, select never. This stops your phone from automatically downloading updates in the background without your permission. Step 2. Disable system updates using developer options. If you want stronger control, you can also use developer options. Go back to settings, then scroll down and tap about phone. Next, go into software information. Find build number and tap it 7 times continuously. You may be asked to enter your PIN or password. After this, a message will confirm that developer mode is enabled. Now return to the main settings menu and scroll down. You will see a new option called developer options. Tap it, then scroll down carefully until you find auto update system. Turn this option off. This prevents your phone from applying system updates automatically in the background. Once everything is done, it's a good idea to restart your phone. This ensures all settings are properly applied and active. And that's it. Auto updates are now off, giving you full control over your Samsung phone updates anytime you want.